I wish you all the best and all the
Sir.
success.
Sir.
And congratulations and great wishes from the entire Speed team for a wonderful performance and achievement of rank number 25 and NEET SS 2020 in specialty of your choice of an MCH, cardiothoracic and vascular surgery.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So first of all, I'd like to tell, without you, it would not have been possible, sir. Without Speed, I don't know, I didn't have any hope at all.
One thing which I was very sure and very much confident that on every class, on Bailey-based class, I have seen the answers from your end.
Sir.
And I have seen repetitive, there are a group of doctors keep on answering and one of you was that. And it was a great dedicated effort to attend all the classes. And that I really need to acknowledge and appreciate today. Now,
Thank you, sir.
the interview today with you.
Sir, sir,
And
sure, sir.
we want to know from you, why cardiothoracic surgery? I'll tell you,
Sir,
cardiothoracic
sir.
is not a simple decision. And to
Sir,
take
actually my choice was vascular, sir.
Okay, why vascular surgery? Because both of them, and I thought it was cardiothoracic, now it is vascular. Even for vascular, it's not a routine specialty because for general
Yes,
surgery,
sir. Yes,
it
sir.
is the surgical gastro or it could be surgical onco. So
Yes,
those
sir.
related exposure fields or preferred fields. And why
Yes,
did you
sir.
choose vascular? And you also want to know a brief history from where
Sure.
did you medicine, post-graduation,
Okay, sir.
and history about yourself.
Sure, sir. Sir, I'm basically from Hyderabad, sir. And I did my schooling and all in Hyderabad, and my MBBS I joined in 2005 in Kamineni Institute of Medical Sciences near Hyderabad, and finished in 2011. And then I joined Speed, sir. For PG coaching also, I was a Speed student.
Oh, speed student on PG.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Which place?
And Hyderabad, sir.
Okay, Hyderabad. Okay.
Yeah. And I was like very big fan of you, sir, your teaching especially. And I was
Thank
really
you.
impressed with the general surgery part, especially in the PG coaching and all. And at that time, I decided for general surgery during my internship, sir. Somehow, that was the first major posting for me, general surgery. And somehow that clicked and nothing else I was interested in later on. So then finally I decided to go for general surgery. And then many people actually were like against it. For a girl, especially general surgery, that was not a first choice, especially. Even then, my parents supported me and I went into general surgery in 2012 batch, sir. And I did it in Mamta Medical College in Khammam, sir. That's in Telangana state.
Okay.
And I finished in 2015, my PG. And then I joined 1 year government service, sir. That was compulsory for us to get our certificates. And then after that, I did 1 year in laparoscopic institute, sir. In Rajahmundry, sir, actually. Now I moved to Rajahmundry after marriage and in Andhra Pradesh. And after that, actually, we were planning to go to UK, sir. So I cleared my MRCS then. And because of family issues, my father-in-law is not well. So we stayed back.
Okay.
And then I did my practice here, general surgery practice for last 2 years. And then I thought I'll try for...
Rajahmundry?
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay.
Private practice. We have a hospital here. And
Okay.
and then I decided I'll go for a chance. Anyway, we're staying back. Staying back in general surgery, somehow I was not interested in it. I wanted to do super specialty. So I actually wrote the exam in 2019, sir. And I got 197 rank in cardiothoracic. And I thought like 1 more year I can do better. Then again, I had a baby last year. So it was not possible to prepare much. And then somehow I thought I can prepare, but it was not going well planned according to the plan. Then in this year, May 2020, I thought I need some help. So I joined Speed. And that was really helpful. So it was motivating me to read daily, which is not actually possible for me. And because of all this lockdown and all, there was no help actually at home. But still, without speed, I didn't really have any hope, sir, actually. But somehow you made it possible for me. And also the cardiothoracic videos, they were really helpful, sir. I didn't prepare anything else except the speed videos in the app and the general part in the app, and also the basic sciences, the concerned with the cardiothoracic and also the vascular surgery. They were really good, sir. I didn't go for preparing. I didn't need any extra textbook also. Only thing is your Bailey classes, some chapters I went through the Bailey textbook and nothing else. Your videos, that's all. And I think that's not necessary. Any extra textbook is not necessary for the preparation. This is more than enough, sir, actually. And one more thing I wanted to tell, sir, actually, the level, the speed prepares us for the entrance. It's for actually, I felt some MCH exit level it prepares for us, like not the entrance part. And the way the questions, like in the app, the mock tests were there. I was really only getting around 50% of the questions correct. And I thought really, if my level is like that, then I don't know, I didn't have any hope for the exam. Then once I actually went for the exam, I thought it's really easy, sir, compared to the speed tests. And it was very basic, actually. And somehow in some points I missed maybe, but I got this rank 25 and I'm really happy for it, sir. Like I have a chance now for super specialty. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the help. And the daily classes, like for almost 3 months, they were really helpful, sir. Like they kept on motivating me daily basis. And I wanted to keep up with you. And one more thing, sir, I want to tell you, and I don't know, I feel like you're not human, like extra managing everything, cardiothoracic surgery, and managing a hospital and reading and teaching everything, and on a daily basis teaching with us, like and discussing and all the questions and all the doubts everyone was asking, and the patience you had.
It's a real fight.
Yes, sir. And the
every
doubts.
controversy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, everyone was contradicting every statement you gave, and that was you were really patient with everyone, and I really feel it was like it is not possible with normal human being to do all that at a time.
I am a very, very normal human being. Don't put into something else. And one thing which I will tell you is, I really I don't love actually. It's not passion. I almost feel to teach someone and teach students. I feel it is nothing like that. So I really to say I can't say I enjoy, but beyond that. So I really feel.
So without that, it's not possible to continue teaching for so many years. I feel that way about you especially, and you keep on motivating me continuously, sir.
And that is what it keeps us going. So that's important, and that's what keeps us going. And it's, one person can read for a lot of people, so that it can save more time for others. That's the concept here. Actually. So, and it's really, I'm really happy. And what is more than that is, and in spite of the family, in spite of so much of commitment, and you had the dedication of attending classes that I have observed and I have spoken. One thing I'll tell you very clearly: all those who have attended the classes this 3 to 4 months before exam, they have all done. I have seen the statistics. They have all done well. They are all done extremely well. And it's I'm saying was not attended. Probably those who attended after the recorded videos also, they have done well. I have spoken to people in the interview. So I mean, it is the kind of dedication from both the end, both the faculty and the student are there, and it's energized the team also. Okay, now what are the institutes that you have shortlisted for you to join?
Sir, actually, according to the last year allotments, I had multiple options, sir. I had Jain Institute, I had Narayan Vidyalaya, I had Stanley and Madurai Medical College, and I had Nizams and everything. But now with the recent reservation thing, I'm not sure, like all these colleges, like hospitals, I don't know whether I would be getting into them. So I think my first choice would be Nizam, sir, because I have a 1-year-old baby and my parents stay at Hyderabad. So I don't have to think about that, and that will be off my mind during the next 3 years.
Correct.
So maybe
Correct.
I have to put some extra effort. Maybe not the best institute in the country, but I think I'll be mentally not worried because of the kid and all the families and all. So I can concentrate on my studies like next 3 years. And 3 years is a big time for me, especially with a baby.
It will go. I'll tell you, it will just fly off. It will just go like
So,
so don't worry about it. And
Sure,
you will get an exam. You think positive, and you will get an exam. And once you get it, give us a call, and definitely it will happen.
sure, sure.
You.
Thank you,
Don't worry.
sir.
So
Thank you
far,
so
so
much, sir.
and good will happen.
Thank you,
100%.
sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Once again, I bring a lot of greetings and wishes to you.
Thank you, sir.
And see
Sure.
you and be happy and do well. And
Sure, sir.
you will mark in your career in vascular surgery. You will mark my words. You will definitely
Sure.
make a very big mark in this specialty for
Thank you, sir.
coming out of the group that said no general surgery, you need general surgery.
Yes, sir.
They want to do MCH vascular surgery. So you have just broken all the barriers, both mentally
Sure.
and physically, and now you're fighting for it, and definitely you will win it. And
Sure.
our prayers and wishes for you are always there. And keep
Sure.
going and do well. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Sure. Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.